right, Mopar time here. 1970 Dodge Charger SE. Nice looking two-door hardtop car. Now, this particular car, a little history on it. It has been with the previous owner for 30 plus years. Has had a repaint. This was a B5 blue original colored car. It's now House of Colors paint. And this is a Oriental blue candy. Interior, a lot of it appears to be original. There's a black vinyl buckets in it. Was an original 4-speed car and also has the original tranny still in it. Would have been a 383 car, now a 440. And that has been dynoed and gone through according to the receipts we have as far as on the engine in 2013. And dyno numbers on that were 370 horse and 474 pound-feet of torque. Headlight doors do work. We'll fire it up here in a little bit so you can hear it run. We'll pop those open so you can see it. Vinyl top on it is a nice shape. The paint is older than the engine rebuild on it. Restoration was done as far as paint and everything early 2000s. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. But you can see up and down the side of this car. I mean, how straight it is. You get a car that's this long. The car is nice and straight. The one thing I want to make you aware of also, notice the antenna is missing. We have one in order, but I wanted to get this video done, the pictures up, so there is an antenna that will be going with the car. All right, let's talk about the interior. To me, appears to be very original. It's your 4-speed on the floor, center console, dash and everything appears to be stock. 8-track stereo in it. I have had the stereo power up, have not had sound coming out of it. I know it has the front speakers but not the rear deck speaker, but may make a difference too. Getting that antenna on there for reception. SE badging, vinyl top, also very nice shape. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Found it interesting. This car is actually a rear defrost option car from the factory. Take a look down that side. Again, you can see how straight it is. Now, there are a couple little things on this driver's side I'm going to show you when I get around. Once again, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. All right. Right here, you're going to see a little dinger and touch up there. Another spot below it. So I'll point those out. Otherwise, look down the side of that car. Again, you can see how straight it is. As far as the paint, and I don't know if I can get it to do it justice, but it does. You can see a light metal flake in that House of Colors paint. Of course, I'm sure you noticed, writing on the Keystone Classics. Got a little rake to it. Now, this is also equipped with power steering and power brakes, so it was a nicely optioned car. Let's go ahead and check out the interior of this. And like I said, we're going to fire it up and check out those headlight doors, let you hear it run. Again, door panels, to me, appear to be very original. Seat, just going by kind of some of the wear in it and how it is. A little bit here going in and out, but you know, considering age of the car, condition of the interior, overall very nice. Headliner, good shape. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. See how easily it starts? Once the tack does work, you can not see the clock working. Oil pressure appears to be working. Fuel gauge, main ascender, and as far as temp, I've not had it come up to temperature. Running inside here to see if that temp gauge is accurate or not. Again, 8-track player, an AM stereo. Blower fan did work, did have that going. Alright, let's click on those lights also. Door closes and shuts nicely. There you go. Nice sound coming out of that. Again, 440 underneath the hood. Numbers tranny. Original 383 car. And in the still pictures, there is a build sheet with this. We also just decoded the data tag, and you'll be able to see the data tag in the pictures. Headlight doors, all good there. All right, I'm going to pause this a second, and let's check out underneath that hood. Nice and fresh looking under here. First of all, take a look underneath the hood. Get the glare out of there if you can see. Got 440. Aluminum radiator's been added. Again, power steering, power brakes. Nice looking engine bay. Smooth runner, sounds good. Again, you can see the dyno sheet with the still pictures as well as the build sheet on our website. You'll be able to check out the rest of this 1970 Dodge Charger 2-door hardtop SE edition. 4-speed, give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.